Listen, I want you to help me.
Okay.
Do you mind getting in here in the kitchen and
Not at all. I'd love to.
working with me today?
I love to work with you.
Do you? Okay, great.
Oh,
Let
this is my
those cool.
favorite.
Now, how do you know what I'm making?
Are you? Because I'm sitting here looking at it. Are you kidding?
So you think you can figure it out?
I see the black Dutch oven. I see the ground beef. I see the onions, the tomato sauce. I see the elbow macaroni. It's not very often that I get to come to your house and help you make goulash.
Goulash.
My goulash. Which, you know what, Mom? I never have been able to reproduce this.
Well, son, I don't know why.
You know what I think makes the difference?
What?
I don't have a Dutch oven.
Well, son,
I'm just using a regular stainless steel pot.
No, you got
that's part of it.
I got Dutch ovens out there in the garage. I've always got plenty of cast iron sitting around. Before you leave today,
I'll get one.
We'll go out to the garage and get you a cast iron pot. Now, I'm going to add 2 pounds of lean ground beef.
And turkey?
And a pound of turkey.
Is this the way you've always made it?
Yeah, but you know what? To me, I've always made my goulash just by tasting. I got our ground beef and our turkey going. It's browning away nicely.
Smelling good.
Now, if you want to, at this point, you can drain off some of your fat. But I have to say, most of the time I don't.
Is that why it tastes so good?
Yes, yes.
Because, see, I think one of the mistakes I'm making is when I brown my ground beef and onions together, I drain it. I put it into a colander and drain it completely.
No, see, I don't do that. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take our diced onion and throw that in the pot, along with about 3 cloves of diced fresh garlic. All right, so we're just going to stir this up. And now, if you'll grab that tablespoon, Bobby, please, and toss in a tablespoon of house seasoning. And I'll just stir it up for you.
So the house seasoning this is a little salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder, right? That's
it? All right, now our seasoning salt, about a tablespoon of that.
Okay, 1 tablespoon.
Okay, now that's Italian seasoning. And you might want to just pop that top off. And I'm going to need 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to need about 2 tablespoons of that. And make sure you get a full tablespoon, because that Italian seasoning is really going to give this a big kick.
There we go. You got it. 2 full tablespoons.
How about 3 bay leaves?
Okay.
So, and those are off my tree out there.
Are they?
Yeah. All right, now we need about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Okay. Have you always used soy sauce in goulash?
Or either Worcestershire, either one.
Never use either
You've
one.
never used it?
No wonder mine's not good.
All right, so we're going to use 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce.
Okay, you ready for it?
Yeah.
I've been doing it wrong all along.
Well, now I formulated this and gave it to you so you wouldn't have that problem. Okay, now we got 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes.
Ready? Do you want me to stop?
Yeah, no, I was just putting the spoon there so it wouldn't splatter on us. All right, we're gonna cook our macaroni noodles in this. So I need 3 cups of water.
I am getting the best lesson today.
And we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 or 25 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come back and add our elbow noodles.
Okay. 20 minutes here, and then how long after we put the noodles
another 20 minutes. So about 40 or 45 minutes, yes,
Mine
you can.
takes all day.
But.
And it's not good. Well, Mama, the goulash is smelling and looking real good. I think it's time to add the noodles.
It smells wonderful. All right, Bobby, pour in about 2 cups. Now, you've got like a 3-cup jar.
There's 3
right
cups
there.
in here, so I'm going to leave
so
one
just
in.
leave 1 cup. You want to get us a couple of bowls out?
Oh, for the goulash?
Yes, for our goulash. Because it's about time for us to taste.
That's my mama's goulash right there.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.